The next part of speech, what we are going to discuss is adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is something you describe. Describing a noun or a pronoun is called as an adjective. For example, when I say the elephant is a fat animal, how do you describe the elephant? Describing the elephant is fat. The word fat is an adjective. He is a tall boy. You describe the pronoun he as tall. So anything you describe, either it's a noun or a pronoun, is called as an adjective. There are 6 types of adjectives. The first one is the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is otherwise called as the descriptive adjective. For example, when I say this is a nice teddy. This is a nice teddy. When I talk about the doll, the teddy, I said it's nice. You can use the other words like awesome. It's brown in color. So this talks about the quality of the doll. That's adjective of quality, or you can otherwise call it as the descriptive adjective. Next one is adjective of quantity. For example, when I say I have enough money, that enough talks about the quantity. I have more money, I have little money, that talks about the quantity of adjective. Adjective of number. When I say I have 5 apples, that 5 indicates the number. I have an apple and also indicates the number, telling that it's 1. So though an is an article, that talks about an adjective where you say adjective of number. The next type is the demonstrative adjective. What is a demonstrative adjective? When you point out a place or a thing or a subject or an object, it is called as a demonstrative adjective. This book is mine. Now you point out this book, okay, this book. You give a lot of stress on the word book. You describe about this book. Now for example, the other sentence, this is demonstrative adjective. This is my book. Look at the difference between first 2 sentences. This is my book. You don't describe about the word book. This is demonstrative pronouns, as we saw yesterday in the previous class. The first sentence is demonstrative adjective and the second one is a demonstrative pronoun, because here you say this is my book. The next adjective is interrogative adjective. What is an interrogative adjective? It answers the question where, when, how, who and whom's. For a who and whom. For example, I say whose book is that? Whose book is that? When I put in the stress on, when I tell about the book, about describing the book by using the word whose, that is called as an interrogative adjective. The next one is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective talks about the ownership, talks about the possession or the ownership of a particular person. For example, when I say Joe left his bat in the ground. Now this word his bat, now we are giving the stress on the word bat. So we are telling that that is his bat, and that is called as possessive adjective. So adjectives are of 6 types: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. So these are the adjectives what we saw in this next class. I hope you would have enjoyed the class. Let me see you in the next video.